Topic 14-2, graphing quadratic functions on the calculator. All graphing calculators will graph quadratics, and there's usually a function to determine where the vertex is. And so if you have a TI-84, YouTube that. If you have a TI Inspire, YouTube that. Our common calculator is going to be Desmos. So I'm going to do another example. The other video did one example. I'm going to do another example. So I'm going to do 2x squared, and I'm typing it in just like she did. I'm actually using my keyboard. Oops. And sometimes my keyboard just is not playing nice. Okay, so get rid of all of that. Push enter. 2x squared minus 3x plus 5. And I don't have it. Oh, there it is. Okay, so when I have, it was just 5 up. So I had moved. So when I'm looking at this, I'm going to click on the graph, anywhere on the graph, and Desmos will actually pull up your dots. So this one will be always the y-intercept. It'll signify the y-intercept, and all I'm doing is hovering, and this is the coordinate of the minimum. I'm going to do another one, and I have x squared minus x plus 5, and I'm going to turn this one off, and notice that it is at negative half, and you already know that it's opposite, actually it's at positive half, that it's opposite of b over 2a. So you can do these mentally, and this hinges off the first unit, but this is how calculators will also tell you. So you would have to tell me that this is a minimum, and the vertex is at 1/2. That's using a calculator, and you are allowed to use Desmos or your Inspire or your TI-84. If you have another calculator, just YouTube to find out how to do that.